Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like rewind video edit on Capcom PC. So select your video and I'm just going to add in this effect on top of the video. So there's a like one that's like going forwards and there's one going backwards. So we're just going to split them into two parts. Delete that, and I'm going to also first select the video, go to speed and make it faster so it suits the like effect on top, like so. And on the effect I'm just going to go to video, go to blend mode and choose the screen or bright end one. I'm just going to choose the screen one. Same with the second one as well. Then I'm going to just copy and paste it here. And to reverse it, I'm just going to select this button right there. It's going to reverse the clip. I'm going to put this one on top of the other one and I'm just going to adjust it to the video. And this is what your video should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!